feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Your stomach making loud noises after eating is normal. These sounds come from digestive muscles mixing food and moving it through your gut. Gas and air bubbles can make noises louder. So loud stomach growling after a meal means digestion is working, not hunger. But if the noises are painful or persistent, talk to a doctor.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.